As a student counselor, one of my greatest joys comes in sharing our students' success stories. As an IMG from India, this student worked hard, but still her test scores were very average. However, she believed that where there is a will, there is a way. She graduated in 2016 and worked hard on each step. But was unable to get any US clinical experience. Focusing on research and being published helped her continue her path forward to overcome the lack of electives. Inpatient rotations and working in a clinical setting since graduation was a start. But finally, she sought help from the Sarthi team. Together, they worked through every part of the ERAS application. Sarthi helped her to discover how to tell her unique story and help her stand out. The exceptional writing classes taught her how to develop a solid CV. And create a personal statement that was powerful. A quality personal statement needs professional editing, and the mentors were golden in this area. Her mentor helped her to find research opportunities that made her ERAS CV even stronger. All while working in a university hospital. She chose not to participate in mock interviews, which brought some disadvantages. However, the mentors stepped in and provided the necessary guidance to help her overcome this challenge. After missing out on match the first time due to poor interview skills, the honest feedback from her group mentor was exactly what she needed. The additional guidance from the chief mentor ensured that she never felt lost on her journey. Her advice: overcome weaknesses by strengthening the areas you can, secure quality rotations, work hard, earn good letters of recommendation, and add research publications to your profile. If you are a repeat applicant, take some time for yourself. And don't give up. To the women juggling a family and the match process, stay positive, work hard, and know that you will get there. Follow the advice you receive and believe in yourself. Because you are stronger than you know. With Sarthi mentors, you are never lost, as they help you build the roadmap to match success.